Hey guys! So it took a while to get, but now that I have it, I can finally make this video. And what am I going to be unboxing exactly in today's video? Well, let's get it out of this cardboard box to find out. So, yup, we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 14 Pro. Now, before you jump to the comments saying that I'm spoiled, this is not my iPhone. This is actually my mom's. Because if you don't know, right now my mom is currently using an iPhone XS. And I'd say it's a pretty good iPhone, but the main complaints my mom has about it is the camera and the battery life. It's just not as good as it was when she first got it back in like January 2019. So when Apple introduced the iPhone 14 Pro, my mom just had to cop it. So now, before we unbox it, let's take a tour around the box. So on the front, we get the view of the beautiful iPhone 14 Pro. You can see the new dynamic island. No, I'm just joking. The new dynamic island. It looks very awesome, if I do say so myself. And just like every iPhone box, the iPhone is raised on the top, the iPhone design, which is very nice. You see that new iPhone 14 Pro wallpaper. Looks pretty good. And if you get the deep purple color, which my mom got, it's like purple at the top. Very, very cool. And on the sides, it might be hard to pick up on camera, but the iPhone font color is actually like a slight shade of purple. Very cool attention to detail, Apple. And same with the Apple logo. Has like a slight tint of purple. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is purple on there, which is very awesome. And then on the back, you have all your information. There it is. Also, if you're wondering what storage capacity my mom got for her new iPhone 14 Pro, she got the 256GB model. But if you're wondering why she got that one specifically, apparently, if you get the 128GB model, aka the base configuration, you can't record in ProRes video, which is kind of stupid. So since my mom wanted that feature because, why not, she got the 256GB model. And yeah, so that's the box. It's pretty nice. So now, let's get to opening it. So, unlike when I unboxed my iPhone 12 mini last year, there's no plastic to peel off. This time, we just have to rip these paper tags to open up the iPhone box. So, we're gonna peel off this one. Mom, get a close-up. Ready? That was awesome. And now for the second one. Oh. That was awesome. All right, so now, guys, we have all the tags off, so we're just going to move this over to the side. So now, let's open it up. Mom, get a cinematic shot. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it looks amazing! So yeah, guys, that is the new deep purple color. Oh my god. You guys see that? Oh my god, it's like... It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Mom, you picked the perfect color. Because out of space black, silver, and gold, yeah, deep purple is definitely the best. Oh my gosh, look at that. Well, I guess we should take it out. Pull this tab right here. Look at those stainless steel edges. Oh, look at that. You get a focus on that. Oh, you can see Mom's reflection in the iPhone camera. Whoa, look at that screen protector. Very awesome. Shows your standard controls. So yeah, there's an icon for the silent switch, volume up and down buttons, power button, and there's a Thunderbolt icon, just like on my iPhone. So, just like every unboxing YouTuber, we're going to put the iPhone 14 Pro to the side and see what we have in the box. So we have our manuals. Well, basically just random stuff. And you guys probably know that if you live in the US and you buy an iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro there, it doesn't come with a physical SIM tray. But since Mom and I live in Canada, not only do we get a SIM tray, we also get a SIM ejection tool. Say anything on the back? No, it's just blank. But yeah, we get a SIM ejection tool. That's pretty nice. We got regulatory information, more information, and an Apple sticker. Oh my gosh, guys, you know what would be so much cooler if the Apple sticker was also purple? That would have been awesome. But anyways, we're gonna put this back in the little pouch here. Pretty sure it was in this order, so let's put that back in. Although we're gonna leave this out, so when my mom's transferring her SIM card, we can have that ready. We're gonna put this back in here. And here we have a Lightning to USB-C cable. Now, I'm not sure if my mom is gonna be using this, but in case she will, we're gonna also put that to the side. And also we're gonna put this too. So now, let's get to the iPhone itself. So right now we are about to peel the paper screen protector off. So Mom, get another cinematic shot. Let's peel this off. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if you can see it in the reflection, but I see the dynamic island. I see the camera and the notch. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look how clean it is. Mom, how awesome does it look? Looks so good, right? So yeah, this is the iPhone 14 Pro. Check out the back. Look how awesome that looks. It's pretty awesome if I do say so myself. Wait, there we go. Pretty awesome. And yeah, look at those stainless steel edges. Very awesome. And also, guys, remember I was saying that since Mom and I live in Canada, we get a physical SIM tray? Boom. There's your SIM tray. I don't know if you can get a focus on that, but the SIM tray is there. So that is nice when my mom is going to be transferring her SIM later. But now, let's boot up the iPhone. All right, ready, guys? We're going to see if it has battery out of the box. It may not, but let's see if it does. 3, 2, 1. It does, just like my iPhone. Oh my gosh. It's booting up. Oh my gosh, so cool. Oh, very. Hello. Oh my gosh. It's just like the, actually, yeah, guys, you know what I just realized? When I got my iPhone 12 mini, since it came with iOS 14, it had the old hello screen. So this is the new one. Honestly, the new one is so much better. So now we've made it to the hello screen in the iPhone 14 Pro. But as I said before, since this is my mom's iPhone, she is going to set it up and we will come back to you guys when it is done. Alright, so guys, after Mom signed in with her Apple ID and doing a bunch of other things, now it says, welcome to iPhone. Mom, ready to swipe it?
Yep. Ready?
Yeah, ready? Go. Whoa! Oh, there's some stuff.
You have to set up the SIM.
Oh, it says Mom has to set up cellular because Mom didn't put her SIM card in yet. Okay, so Mom, now that your iPhone's on the home screen, what do you think?
It's awesome.
I know, right?
Okay.
So obviously, since my mom wants nothing to happen to her brand new iPhone 14 Pro, because come on, it would be heartbreaking if it broke, we obviously have to protect it. So, alongside the iPhone 14 Pro, my mom also got this. So let's unbox it real quick. And right here we get a little piece of paper explaining about the leather. And now we're gonna take the leather case. By the way, this is in the ink color, which matches perfectly with the iPhone 14 Pro in the deep purple color. But anyways, we're gonna put it on. Oh, no MagSafe animation? Guess not. That's okay. Well guys, there's my mom's new iPhone 14 Pro. Is it snug? Yeah, it is. So there's my mom's new iPhone 14 Pro. There's the back. And yeah. So Mom, how do you think it looks? Actually, here guys, Mom and I are gonna trade. I'm gonna take the camera. Mom's gonna take the iPhone. Mom, what do you think?
Looks good.
I know, right?
It feels good. The weight is good.
That's good.
Case, look how it fits.
Oh, it fits perfectly. Look, wait, actually, guys, let me get in focus 1 second. Oh, look at that. Look at that camera lens. Oh, that's awesome. So purple.
Okay.
Love it. Yeah, so how do you think? It's good?
That's good.
Nice. So, yeah, that's the end of my unboxing of the new iPhone 14 Pro. And, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment if you have copped the new iPhone 14 Pro yet. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. And if you want to see my mom's week in review of her new iPhone 14 Pro, well, follow the Instagram to find out.